Welcome back. Now, to tackle the shortage of the beds in the national capital, the government of Delhi has attached few hotels with the hospitals. These hotels are supposed to provide A1 facilities for people, those who are suffering from mild symptoms of coronavirus. My colleague Milan Sharma went to one such hotel, Hotel Surya, which has been attached to one of the hospitals. Take a look at this report on the kind of arrangements which have been made at this hotel.
We're inside the Surya, one of the hotels that has been now converted into a COVID care center after the Delhi government said they require more beds for people to recover. So we'll be looking at recovery patients from Holy Family Hospital who will be coming here. To tell me more about this, I'm joined by Mr. Girish Bindra, who is the Vice President of the Surya. So thank you so much for speaking to India today. What kind of protocols have you put in place in the hotel for the recovery patients?
So Milan, if you focus on this, you see a red line coming right from the entry into the lobby. Now this line comes all the way here. The patients are supposed to keep on the right of the line. At the same time, this is going to be the registration desk. They walk here, they sign, and then they move on. As they move on, they have to still keep right of this, and this goes all the way to the elevator. So I have two elevators that are blocked for them. And even in the elevator, we have markings. So there's no question of anyone, going out of line. So you have markings in the elevator and you have to stay within those red boxes. And someone from Holy Family will take them to the floor and take them straight to the room. And that's where the business, our thing finishes there.
So now we've reached the floors of where you'll be keeping the recovery patients?
Yeah, that's right. Now, for example, this is the second floor, and the patient will be taken from here into the room, escorted by the Holy Family nurse, and they will also have a center here. They will have a desk here where they have registration and stuff like that, so that they're in contact with the. And then once they are taken into the room, the patient is totally on his own. So the room is absolutely set and ready for the guest, depending on whatever time they come, and then the meal period starts. And I will show you a room just now and then show you exactly what is in the room.
So this is one of the COVID-ready facilities?
Yeah, what the room looks like. And these are deluxe superior rooms, our lowest category of room. And of course, every room, I'm leaving the tea coffee maker there and giving them actually extra amenities. Patients हैं तो उनको कभी-कभी और चाहिए होता है टी कॉफी, so वो मैं double कर दूंगा उसमें. And then of course the room also has internet and we have a television. We have 2 bottles of mineral water in every room, and then anything else the guest needs, they are more than welcome. We want to make them feel comfortable and feel wanted. That's the whole idea.
Well, so what will be the charges of the room and what all will be included as facilities for those looking to make hotel rooms their quarantine homes for some time?
Well, the charges have been fixed by the government. So, जैसे हमारे पास 3-star, 4-star, 5-star hotels होते हैं, so like we are a 5-star hotel, so the charges for us is 5,000 plus taxes per patient, जिसमें all 3 meal periods are there, उसमें breakfast होता है सुबह, lunch होता है and dinner होता है, and of course every facility that is in the room. But in case a patient wants something else from in-room dining or something, then they can pick up the phone and ask for in-room dining. My boy from service will come and hand it over to the nurse, and then she will come and hand it over into the room.
If you look around the room, you will see top-class 5-star amenities. But it's a steep price to pay for someone who's looking to recover after being shifted from the hospitals. The hospitality industry has joined hands with the Delhi government, making room for those who might want to look much more comfortable while completing their time in isolation away from home. With Anil Jaiswal, Milan Sharma for India Today.
So you saw the situation or the preparations being made at a 5-star hotel. Let me now take you to a completely opposite facility for isolation. That is the much touted Indian Railways isolation compartments which were converted, and few of them are now available in the national capital. But there is an acute problem in the heat with no AC or air conditioning or any other facility. There are no takers as far as these isolation railway coaches are concerned. Devyanshu Tomar with this story.
Well, Delhi has recorded more than 50,000 cases of coronavirus till now. And because of these cases, now the demand is for more availability of beds. I'm currently standing at Anand Vihar train terminal, and behind me in the pictures you can see these are the coaches which have been arranged by the railways for the treatment of COVID patients. Last week, more than 500 coaches were arranged by the railways, keeping in mind for the treatment of COVID patients, and around more 257 coaches have been deployed at Anand Vihar train terminal. But the problem over here is that these coaches are non-AC coaches, because of which there is tremendous amount of heat inside the coaches itself. Because of that, no patient is coming here for the treatment. Although every medical staff is present inside, all medical treatment has been provided and kept in mind by the experts and the officials, but still the problem over here is such that no patient is coming over here for the treatment. Behind me in the pictures you can see these are those 257 coaches which have been deployed by the railways at Anand Vihar terminal for the treatment of COVID patients, but till now very less COVID patients have turned up. With camera person Ashwani, it's Divanshu Toma for India Today.
All right, that's all the time that we have in this edition of 6 p.m. Prime Ground Report. But I just want to leave you with these visuals of the Rath Yatra, which we are in fact getting from Puri. I mean, look at these visuals. The Supreme Court had made some very, very strict guidelines as far as the Rath Yatra is concerned. But you can see a huge crowd outside the iconic, temple. And there is, in fact, at this moment, what you can see is that there are a lot of people present at this moment. Now, many would call it, once again, putting a lot of people in danger. And this after one of the servitors of Jagannath temple tested positive for COVID-19 during mandatory testing ahead of the Rath Yatra. He was taken off. But there are a lot of people, those who are still questioning why was this given a permission, and the kind of gathering that we have seen, isn't this completely putting people at risk?
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.